What if humans could use 100% of their brain? Superpowers, time travel, unlimited memory. Science say something different, but imagination say anything is possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to where we explore amazing ideas from science, technology and imagination. You will probably heard the famous line, humans only use 10% of their brain. Sound interesting, right? That idea became so popular, it inspired movies like Lucky and Limitless. But here's the truth. Is it real or just another myth? According to modern neuroscience, the 10% myth is completely false. Brain imaging tools like fMRI and PET scans prove that we use virtually every part of our brain, just not all at the same time. For example, when you think one area activities, when you speak another, when you remember or feel emotions, different parts light up. So yes, we do use 100% of our brain, but in different ways and at different times. But now imagine, what if we could activate our entire brain all at once? What would happen? Instant thinking, super memory, maybe even abilities like telepathy or healing. But there's a catch. Your brain is already using the energy of 100 minus watt light bulb. If all of it fight together, it could overload like a machine overheating. So not superpowers, more like a system crash. But let's come back to reality. Can we actually improve brain performance? Answer: absolutely. Here's how. Learning new skill, increase brain flexibility, meditation and focus, boost attention, physical exercise improves brain function, reading, playing music, solving puzzles, creative new brain connections. This is called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire and grow stronger with use. So now you don't need SCI powers to use 100% of your brain. You just need to challenge yourself, learn something new and stay curious. Remember, your brain is like a musical muscle. The more use it, the stronger it gets. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to more amazing content.